Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, September 8th. So, Monday, here we go. What do we got going news wise? Forexfactory.com calendar. You can see that there are all yellow items, and there's only one USD number at 3 p.m. It's consumer credit month over month. This is a low impact item, virtually no news for today. So, we'll be watching out for headline news as well as Trump tweets, but otherwise very slow Monday here. So to say there, moving on. Looking at the daily chart here, you can see that on Friday we had a down day, but we recovered some of it later in the day. Kind of an ugly day. Again, we're getting these, as you can see here, these wicks, and wicks are indicative of price rejection. However, we've also got wicks on the bottom, so I'd have to say that this is a very non-committal chart. We're basically going sideways to up. Nothing really exciting to go bullish or exciting to go bearish, just kind of going sideways. We are above the moving averages, which means it's generally bullish consensus above the trend line. What can you say? Hey, we're at nearly all-time highs. If we could get above Friday's highs, 65.41 and above, that would be bullish. If we break Friday's lows, I'd have to say that that is bearish, 64.52. So pretty simple analysis. Volume was heavier than expected, and you can see that this entire area where we've got all of September has been above average. So that is a good thing to see volume come back into the market. Looking at the inventory, we had down price action, we had down inventory. So inventory actually pretty negative, 16,000 contracts to the negative side. These are correlated, so nothing to worry about. It means the internals of the market are working as they should be. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 28 points overnight. That is slightly above average, but not much. 22 to 25 is average. So 28, a bit over average, but not significantly. Where do we have support and resistance? On the top side, we've got resistance around 65.23, 65.35, 65.42, and then we are in no man's land. We've got some fib numbers up high, 65.92. Support, on the other hand, on the bottom side, below price, we have got some confluence here around 64.84, 64.80, 64.74-ish. Confluence around 64.58, 64.30. Not a lot below that. 64.20. There's some minor areas. 64.06. 6400 is kind of the line in the sand in my mind. If we get below 6400, it looks kind of ugly. So there you have it. Stock Trader's Almanac today is 47.6. 47.6. So a negative bias for this Monday. However, looking ahead, we've got the next 4 days are all positive expectancy. So we may have a down day today, but it's fully plausible we could have up days the rest of the week. So the rest of the week looks good. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.